Hi, I'm AJ Schifano, joined by one of our trusted partners, Brian McInerney from Redfaire. Hey Brian.
Hey AJ. Sure, well, Redfaire, first of all, we're a JD's business partner. We market, sell, implement, manage and host JD in Europe, right? That's all we do. It's very niche, but it's a great business to be in. So we have large accounts, we've got some global players working with us. We have mid-size as well, and it's a very successful business right now.
Well, great. We're lucky to have you as part of the Oracle community, and especially lucky to have you here this week. As we know, there's a whole bunch of buzz about Oracle technology and what that means to JD Edwards Enterprise One. And I hear you are working with some JD Edwards customers who are making good use of Oracle technology. What can you tell us about that?
Absolutely. Well, I guess the key point of what we're doing here is we're selling a new license. Okay, so we're a reseller of JD Edwards. That's really key to our business. So we want to grow that space. We see the growth in Edwards, it's great. And some of the technology innovations from Oracle are due to the acquisitions, the acquisition strategy within Oracle have been really good for our business. For example, we're working with Web Center. We're doing Web Center portal projects, Web Center content projects, all around Edwards, right? All around JD. We have a nice example of a French company, a retailer, who went live last November in 9.1, latest tools release. They've got 550 stores across Europe. Not a huge company, mid-size in our space, but they went live on the Exadata platform.
Really? Exadata? Hey, that's great.
Yeah.
Oracle's engineered systems.
Absolutely. And that was an accelerated implementation, so they went with Oracle Business Accelerators. Very successful, they're very happy with the system as it is.
Great, and so you mentioned mid-sized business. About how many users are they running?
No more than 50.
50 users, really?
Yeah.
So how does a company running 50 JD Edwards users justify running on an Exadata?
Yeah, it's a good question. I guess it was more of a strategy of consolidation. Okay, so they've got 550 stores there for 550 point of sale systems. So they have an in-house sort of retail merchandising solution, which runs on that machine. They got business intelligence running on that machine, and they asked us, would JD Edwards run it? And we said, of course, yes.
Sure, so as long as you're running all that BI stuff, you might as well put your JD Edwards database on there, and all of a sudden the big supercharged engineered systems are actually accessible to even JD Edwards customers with not too many end users.
Absolutely.
That's a great story.
Yeah.
Any other Oracle technology, engineered system type stuff, hardware?
Well, actually, yeah. I mean, funnily enough, we just signed one this week in the UK. So it's in an upgrade context. So this is an old install-based JD Edwards customer who we're planning to upgrade. They were on Wintel, SQL Server, and we talked to them about the engineering solutions from Oracle, and they loved it. They absolutely loved it, and they've already bought the software and the platform.
Great. So it sounds like you're doing stuff with the Oracle Fusion middleware and Web Center. Oracle engineered systems. Absolutely. With Exadata, you got net new customers, you got upgrades going on.
Yeah, upgrades. Yeah, one of the cool things that I've seen over the last couple of years from Oracle to JD Edwards team in Denver is the upgrade program.
Great program.
Yeah, we were the first EMEA partner to be certified on that program. It's the 100-day upgrade workshops. So we've run that 3 times now. We're going to do it again in June in Paris.
Excellent.
In French.
Well, we thank you for your support. We thank you for being such a strong part of the growing Enterprise One community, and we thank you for putting such good use to Oracle technology into the JD Edwards user base.
Thanks a lot.